Teaching coding to a 5-year-old child can be a challenging but rewarding task. Here are a few tips to help you get started. Start with the basics. At this age, it's important to focus on introducing the basic concepts of coding, such as sequencing, loops, and conditionals. Use visual programming languages. There are a number of visual programming languages specifically designed for young children, such as Scratch Junior and Codable, which can make it easier for kids to understand the concepts and start creating their own programs. Make it fun. To keep a 5-year-old engaged, it's important to make learning to code fun and interactive. Use games, puzzles, and other hands-on activities to keep their attention and make it more enjoyable. Keep it simple. It's important to keep the lessons simple and avoid overwhelming a 5-year-old with too much information at once. Start with small, achievable goals and gradually build up their skills as they progress. Encourage creativity. Encourage your child to be creative and think outside the box as they learn to code. Encourage them to come up with their own ideas and create their own programs, rather than just following preset instructions. Be patient. Learning to code can be challenging for children at any age, so it's important to be patient and encouraging. Praise their efforts and progress, and encourage them to keep trying even if they encounter setbacks.